Hello, I'm Kanika Gupta and I'm an IT engineer. I have a formal work experience of 2 years at Infosys. I have completed my internship at Zenoti, which is a SaaS company, and it provides IT solution to salon and med spa. So recently it has been ranked a unicorn also, and I have been offered a role of product specialist in the same company. First of all, I think you need to understand the kind of company you are going into and the work culture it has. Also, the kind of role you are being offered. Like for us, we were given few Coursera courses to complete before joining our internship. So even if you are not given any such courses to complete, but then also if you know what are the expectations from your role, then you should prepare yourself accordingly. And to say a few basic things like presentation skills and Excel are things to go with. So I think you must be prepared with those skills. Apart from the hard work, sincerity, and attention to details, which I'm sure every other intern at Zenoti did, I think I focus a lot on the personal networking front. Apart from networking with the mentor, manager, and HRs, which are the primary contacts of every intern who joins the company, I also focused on networking and building healthy relationship with other interns as well. Usually what happens is every intern is very competitive and they try to focus on their own projects and they don't try to collaborate or provide something meaningful for the company. I completed my project very early in the internship and I was assigned another project to help another intern of the same company. So what we came up with was very new and it was very appreciated during our final project presentation as well. I clearly remember we both were appreciated because we both appreciated each other's work as well. She also received a PPO at the same company. So I'm not saying that this is a sure shot thing to get a PPO, but then again, every company would value an employee that that favors the company, the objective as well, more than what their personal agenda is of getting the PPO. During the start of my project, I was briefed about the kind of project I was working upon. So I prepared a project schedule for myself, and that was in a form of Gantt chart. Shared the same with my project manager as well. So in that front, I didn't face much problems because we both were on the same page with what I was working upon. So I don't have to intimate him again and again what I was going to do on that particular day. And also I was following a strict timeline that also helped me in completing my project 3 weeks prior to the end of my internship, and I could focus on another project. So sometimes the schedule became very hectic and I had to spend extra hours on it. Sometimes the hours went beyond 14 hours as well, but then again it helped me in learning a lot. Also my managers and mentors were also very satisfied with the kind of work I did. The project review was there after every week, so they knew what kind of progress I was having. So I think that helped a lot in achieving what the desired result I wanted to. So after receiving the shortlist, we were given few assignments to complete, and on the basis of that, we received personal interview calls. So I had faced 2 interviews for being selected as an intern at Zenoti. After completing my internship at Zenoti, so I distinctly remember the last day. So I thought that after final presentation and submitting the final assignments, so finally I would be having a free and chill kind of weekend. But then again, on a Saturday morning at 9 a.m., I got a call that I'll be facing 2 interviews again on Monday. So I thought that that was very less time to prepare for PPI. But then again, I researched enough for the kind of role I was being offered. Also, the kind of work culture the company has, because of course, working in a virtual environment, it was a communication gap, and I could not understand the role completely while working in as an intern. But then I talked to alums that were there in Zenoti, so they gave me a clear picture, and I was clear enough to that I want this PPO, so I tried to convert it. During the interview process also, the interview process was more like they were trying to know what kind of work I want to do in my future, what career aspirations I have, and if Zenoti would be a right fit for me in my career. So I think they offered me 3 roles as well, and I was given to choose among those roles. So I choose a role that was according to me most fit for me in my career. So I think that was it. After 15 days, I got a Zoom call from the HR, and with the drum rolls, they announced that I received the PPO.